I'm Chris, and you're watching Fresh Off the Press. So what's the first thing I need to know about creating an apparel business? First things first, I'm going to show you the Cricut cutter. What is the Cricut cutter? The Cricut cutter is a machine that connects to your computer that can cut out cardstock, it can cut out fabric, it can cut out vinyl. I'm also going to show you how to combine the Cricut cutter machine and HTV vinyl into a very functional and effective business. So for our purposes, we are going to be using the Cricut cutter machine for HTV vinyl. Where can you find HTV vinyl? HTV vinyl can be found online, it can be found in some local stores that sell craft supplies, it can be found at Michael's, Walmart, and I'm going to leave some links down below for you to review so that you can also order vinyl. Where can I find the Cricut cutter machine? The Cricut cutter machine can be found at Walmart, it can be found at Michael's, and other places that sell crafts. It can also be found online in places like Amazon. I will also show you some of my favorite accessories that go with the Cricut cutter machine that help make my job a lot easier when it comes to operating the Fresh Off the Press business. So first things first, do your research. The Cricut cutter machine. I'm going to leave the link down below for you to review. Next, I'm going to review what I like about the machine and what I don't like about the machine. I'm also going to show you how this machine is one of the most effective solutions for your apparel printing business. Or, what if the Cricut machine is too expensive for my budget right now? Well, there are other machines that do similar functions, such as the Silhouette, such as the Cameo. They can also cut HTV vinyl, which we'll use for our purposes. But for right now, we're focusing on the Cricut machine to go with HTV vinyl. What is a reasonable amount of money to spend on one of those cutter machines? Well, I actually found this Cricut machine for only $200. However, you can search Facebook Marketplace, you can search different websites, you can do price match and find cutter machines for maybe slightly less. However, I would also err on the side of caution because it's better to have a new machine and know for sure that it's going to function correctly than to purchase an old machine and now it doesn't work as well as you'd hoped it will. But as they say, don't think of cost, think of value. I'm going to do 60 videos in 60 days, and this is video number 1. And stay tuned for video number 2. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.